Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba Instant On 1430 8-port PoE switch. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content.
The Aruba Instant On 1430 switch is an entry-level, unmanaged, Layer 2 Ethernet switch designed for plug-and-play operation. Let's get straight to the unboxing. The first thing you'll notice is that the 1430 8-port switch arrives in retail-friendly packaging, unlike the bigger switches in this family. In the envelope, you'll find your quick start guide and safety, compliance, and warranty documentation. In a side pocket, you will find a country-specific power cord, which connects to the external power supply. Also included is your standard 19-inch rack mount kit. The kit also includes 4 rubber feet for mounting the switch on the desk. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the switch. At the back, there are 8 1GB PoE capable ports as well as a power supply socket. At the sides, you have your airflow vents. Even though this switch is fanless, you should keep these unobstructed when operating the switch to prevent overheating. There is also a Kensington lock socket on the side. At the front are your port operation LEDs for link and PoE status, global switch status LED, and max PoE status light. This switch model supports up to 64 watts of PoE budget, and if you exceed that limit, this LED will light up. At the bottom is the sticker with the serial number. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!